afternoon, Ma'am Sunny Ukag.
I am Cristel Ann Espamantian.
I am Calvin Taimbaay.
I'm Nerjing Babisi.
And I am Finlay Asia Tagayon.
I'm Leonino S. Dubido.
I'm Ting Arlumidul.
I'm Nasha May El Makinas.
And we are the Group 3 researchers. And our title is
Traditional versus Digital, a comparative analysis between marketing strategies towards customers' buying behavior of ABM students at Gateways Institute of Science and Technology.
Background of the study. This study focuses on two main variables, the traditional and digital marketing strategies and customers' buying behavior. The traditional marketing po, ito po yung makalumang pamamaraan ng pagpo-promote ng product tulad po ng paggamit ng television, brochure, and billboards. On the other hand, digital marketing is, ito po yung makabagong pamamaraan ng pagpo-promote ng product. Gumagamit po sila ng social media platforms tulad po ng Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and website, at saka po email promotion. And the second variable is customers' buying behavior. Ito po ay tumutukoy sa pagdedesisyon ng isang mamimili sa kanyang bibiling product. Ito po ay may factors na nakakaapekto tulad po ng pangangailangan, kagustuhan, at motivation at preference ng mamimili.
Background of the study pa rin po. According to the study of ICRA and CTQ 2022, titled Social Media versus Traditional Media on Consumers' Brand Perception, traditional and social media have major influence on consumers' buying behavior and brand perception when it comes to textile or apparel industry. Ngunit dito naman po, pero sa research po nila, hindi talaga nila compare compare talaga yung traditional versus sa digital marketing. Sa research naman namin, kino-compare namin yun, and yun nga po. So, yung purpose sa study namin is to understand how traditional and digital marketing strategies influence the buying behaviors of consumers. So, dito naman po, kino-compare po talaga namin yung traditional tsaka digital, and ano po nakaka-influensya sa mga marketing strategies nila.
Statement of the problem. 1. What are the different marketing strategies, traditional and digital, used by the ABM students? 2. How can these marketing strategies impact the buying behavior of ABM students as customers? 3. Between traditional marketing strategies and digital marketing strategies, which has a stronger impact on customers' purchasing behavior? 4. What recommendation can be provided to both customers and business owners that will encourage the use of specific marketing strategies leading to informed and safe buying decisions?
Significance of the study. For the ABM students, this study is highly beneficial for them because it will make them informed consumers by understanding how traditional and digital marketing strategies affect their buying behavior. Also, it can help them in real-life situations, both academic and future ventures. Second, teachers. This study can serve as a useful reference for the teachers in developing teaching strategies about marketing concepts, making their class more engaging.
School administration. Sa pag-aaral po na ito, magiging beneficial po ang pag-aaral nito sa administration ng school dahil po nagpo-provide po ito ng pananaw kung paano po ang traditional and digital marketing strategy na nakaka-apekto sa buying behavior ng ABM students sa JIST. Ang mga resulta po sa pag-aaral nito ay makakatulong sa administration sa pagpaplano po ng program, school program po, activities and promotion, and that match the preference of the students po, and will also serve guide to creating policies po, and the support more effective and the students center approaches. And parents and guardians naman po, sa pag-aaral po na ito ay nagpo-provide po ng mas malalim na understanding of what influenced their children purchasing decision. And sa pamamagitan po ng pagiging aware po ng mga parents sa strategy ng marketing, ang kanilang mga anak po ay magagabayan nila kung paano po mag-purchase or mag-desisyon ng kanilang anak na kung ito ba ay practical or responsable po and responsible. And encouraging open discussion within financial management and family about po sa budgeting sa pagitan po ng pangangailangan at kagustuhan. Sa uli po, ang mga estudyante po ay will buy better.
Lastly, are business owners and future researchers. Business owners, this study will help business owners para kapag may business sila or magsisimula pa lang sila ng business, tapos pag nakita nila itong study namin, malalaman na agad ng mga business owners kung ano yung mas effective pagdating sa consumers buying behavior, kung ito ba ay traditional or digital. Tapos, mas maaari pa nila ma-improve yung kanilang business kasi makikita nila kung ano yung much better para sa mga consumers behavior. And last is future researchers. This study can help future researchers para magkaroon sila ng additional reference pagdating sa consumers behavior tapos sa marketing strategies, and kapag nabasa nila yung aming study nito, and pag may nakita pa silang parang pagkukulang and dapat pa nila itong improve, and yun lang.
Scope and delimitation. Yung study po namin is nagpo-focus sa traditional marketing, namely televisions, brochures or flyers, and billboards. And yung digital marketing strategies po tulad ng social media platforms, email promotion, and websites. And kung paano sila nakaka-apekto sa buying behavior ng ABM students. Yung study po namin is targeted siyang maisagawa sa school year 2025 to 2026, and yung researchers po is kukuha ng 70 ABM students, both grade 11 and grade 12, bilang aming respondents. Research design. Yung research design po namin is gumamit kami ng quantitative research and comparative survey. Yung quantitative research po is isa siyang proseso ng pag-collect and pag-analyze ng numerical data para i-test yung relationships ng variable. Tapos, comparative survey is para i-compare yung dalawang variables.
Next is instrument of the study. Yung researchers po, gagawa po dito yung mga researchers ng multiple choice questionnaires na may nilalaman ng 10 questions. Tapos, yung purpose po ng questionnaire po ay para mas maintindihan po ng malalim kung gaano po nakaka-apekto yung marketing strategies pagdating sa consumers buying behavior ng mga ABM students po.
And next, sampling techniques. According to Wheeler 2024, ang purposive sampling po ay isang non-probability sampling technique kung saan po ang mga researchers ay intentionally select participant based on specific characteristic. Kailan po relevant po sa study yung kukunin naming participants. And ang common sampling technique po sa quantitative research kung saan po ang mga researchers can delve into a target area in interest to get the information required. And ang sampling method po will allow the researchers to gather incorrect and meaningful, and sa pananaw po ng mga individual, kailangan din po na may enough na kaalaman tungkol sa digital marketing strategy and sa traditional marketing strategy.
Sources of data. The sources of data of the study will be obtained from 70 senior high school students with 14 questionnaires in 5 random ABM sections at Gateways Institute of Science and Technology, Antipolo campus. The researchers will conduct a survey within the institution, and after collecting the accomplished questionnaires from the 70 respondents, the data will be gathered, analyzed, and evaluated.
Procedure of the study. First po ay nag-conduct po ng research ang mga researchers about po sa traditional and digital at kung paano po ito nakaka-apekto sa customers' buying behavior ng ABM student. Second is nag-research po kami ng mga related articles and study about traditional and digital marketing at kung paano ito nakaka-apekto sa customers' buying behavior para po mas maintindihan po namin ng maayos. Third po is gumawa po kami ng survey questionnaire na ipapa-check po namin sa aming practical research teacher which is Ma'am Sunny po, and after niya po ma-approve ito ay i-distribute po namin ito sa 70 ABM students.
Yung fourth po is, pagtapos po ma-distribute, pag nasagutan na po is, yung data po is i-analyze and organize. Then, the fifth po is, yung result po is, ipapresent ng table and di-discuss to find out which marketing strategy had a stronger impact on the student buying behavior.
Dito naman po sa statistical treatment, the statistical treatment that the researchers use in this particular study to analyze the data are the following. Dito naman po, ang W means weighted mean, ito ang summation symbol, yung X naman po, sum of all values, and yung N, total numbers of values. So, ang weighted mean po equals to the summation of all values over the total numbers of values. Yan naman po yung ginamit namin na formula. Tapos, dito naman po, ang solution po ng formula, dito po namin i-interpret sa scale na ito. Yan lang.
Again, this is the Group 3 researchers and this was our research presentation. Thank you.